Today we're going to look at rotating a figure 90 degrees. If you would like to follow me on my channel, Teachers Cecile Maths, just press subscribe down here. I make daily videos, Mondays to Fridays. They are loaded. And if you've missed anything, you can always go to my channel to find them there. Right, so rotating a figure 90 degrees. Let's go look at what we need to do. Right, so rotation turns a figure around a fixed point. It can turn either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And the fixed point is called the center of rotation. Right, so today we are going to look at rotating clockwise 90 degrees. And we have 3 steps involved here. Step 1 is we establish the x and y coordinates of each point of the image. Step 2, we switch the coordinates around, and then we multiply the new y coordinate by -1. So if you have an x and a y like that, it then becomes y and minus x, because you would have multiplied the new y by -1. And then step 3, we go graph using these new coordinates. So let's go do that now. Right, so this is our image here. And I've already put in the x and y coordinates for you. So we have 2, 2. And we have 1, 1. And we have 4, 1. So those are in the x, y arrangement. Now, remember our first step. Let's go look at it. After step 1, we've done that now. Step 2 is we switch the coordinates and multiply the new y coordinate by -1. So then, a image would then be, we're going to switch them around. Luckily for us, they're both still exactly the same, so it doesn't matter if we switch them around. But now our y is going to be multiplied by -1, which will make it -2. Now we've got here 1, 1. And if we switch them around, that'd still be like that. And the y coordinate is multiplied by -1. So this is going to be a -1. And here we have 4, 1. So now we're going to write them as 1, 4. And we're going to multiply our new y coordinate by -1, which will make that a -4. Let's go plot those now. So A will be, x will be 2 and y will be -2. So that will be our A. B will be 1 -1. Let me just write my A somewhere else so it's not in the way there. I'll write it here. Okay, B is going to be 1 -1, so that will be there. And C will be 1 and -4. That will be there. Right, now we're going to join them with the lines. Like that. Right, now that is a 90-degree rotation. You may notice that it's flipped sideways. Hey, look at that. Rotations do that. That is what you're going to start seeing. They don't look like reflections. When they rotate, you might well find your shape has slid sideways. As long as you apply the rules to working out your image coordinates, and we now let's go revise the rules. The first step is to take the original x and y. This is now for a 90 degree, hey? 90 degree clockwise. You take your original x and y, then you switch them around to y, and then you multiply the new y, which would be that one now, by -1. And then you graph the figure. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to look at rotating 180 degrees.